Hello students, in this lecture we will see the next application of the determinant, that is the area of the triangle. Okay, area of triangle, it is well known, it is area of triangle, it is 1/2 base into height. Okay, now we find the area of triangle using determinant. Okay, here see carefully, here if suppose it is A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3 are vertices of triangle ABC, then its area is given by, okay, here see carefully, we want to find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, here we know that the area of triangle, okay, when here it is a triangle A, B and C, coordinates are the given, it is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and it is x3 comma y3. Now we know that the area of the triangle, it is 1/2 area of triangle, it is 1/2 base into height. Okay, here base into height, it is the area of triangle. Okay, it is well known. Another area of triangle, the second formula, it is a Hero's formula. Here it is under root of, it is S into S minus A into S minus B and into S minus C. Here A, B, C are the lengths of the sides. Suppose it is BC, we can take A, AC we can take B, and it is AB we can take C. That means distance between B and C, it is A. Distance between B and C, it is A. By distance formula we know the value of A. Then AC, distance between A and C, it is B, and distance between A and B, it is C. We know the length of all sides of the triangle, then the area of triangle, it is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here S is a half perimeter. Okay, that is half perimeter. A plus B plus C, it is a perimeter of triangle, and then it is by 2. It is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, when we know the value of A, B and C, we know the value of S. And how to find the value of A, B and C? A, B, C are the lengths of the sides. Okay, when the three coordinates, three vertices are the given, okay, and A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle. Okay, then coordinates are the given, then by distance formula we know how to find the area of triangle. And when 1/2 base into height, suppose it is a base, okay, BC, that means the A, it is a length, and height, it is a perpendicular drawn. Okay, suppose it is a AD, that means perpendicular drawn from point A to line BC, and then by the perpendicular distance formula. Okay, here we can find first the equation of line, and it is a point, perpendicular distance of any point from line. Okay, it is a height of the triangle, and then we know the area of the triangle. But here या दोन फॉर्म्युलेपेक्षा आणखीन तिसरा फॉर्म्युला सगळ्यात सोपा आहे. जेव्हा तुम्हाला ट्रायंगलचे 3 व्हर्टायसेस दिलेले असतील, ओके, ट्रायंगलचे 3 व्हर्टायसेस दिलेले असतील, तेव्हा ह्या दोन्हीपेक्षाही आणखीन एक सगळ्यात सोपा फॉर्म्युला बाय युजिंग द डिटर्मिनंट. ओके, हियर व्हेन द व्हर्टायसेस ऑफ ट्रायंगल आर द गिवन, देन द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, सी केअरफुली, हियर इट इज अ 1/2 determinant of x1 y1 are the first coordinate, determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and it is x3 y3 1. Okay, we can find the value of this determinant, and into 1/2 it is the area of triangle, and it is easy out of these two formulas. Okay, here when we can find this, first we want to find the distance, that is the length of all sides, and then half perimeter. When we can use this formula, it is a base, length of base we know by the distance formula, but height, it is a perpendicular distance of point A to the line BC. Okay, now it is easy from these two. Okay, here when the three coordinates, that is the vertices, when the vertices of triangle are the given, then the area of triangle it is. First vertex it is a x1 y1, second vertex it is x2 y2, and third vertex it is x3 y3. Then the area of triangle ABC it is 1 by 2, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and x3 y3 1, and it is the area of the triangle. Okay, here remember this formula. Now the area of triangle, the finding the value of this determinant, and determinant is maybe positive or negative, but area of triangle always positive. So we take the area, suppose it is area, always modulus. Okay, it is positive or negative, value of the determinant. Okay, here value of determinant is a determinant. Determinant may be positive or negative, but area is always positive, that is the absolute value of the determinant. So we can take the area, it is a plus or minus, we can take area is a absolute value, that is the positive. Okay, then see carefully the second note. When the area of triangle is given, when the area of triangle is given and we want to find the coordinate of the vertex, okay, missing x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, out of 6 term one is missing. Okay, we want to find the coordinates, okay, coordinates of any one vertex, and area of triangle is given, then we can take the area is both positive or negative. Okay, here if area is given, then consider both positive and negative value to find the coordinate of point. Okay, when we want to find the coordinate of the point and area is given, then we can take positive and negative both the values, okay, for the finding the coordinates of the point. And here when the calculation of this determinant is negative, but we want to find the area, it is negative, but we can take the absolute value, that is positive value, it is mod of A. And one last thing, if area of triangle is equal to 0, if the area of triangle is 0, therefore the points are collinear. Okay, that means they does not form a triangle. Here if 3 points are the collinear, that means this, and that is the area of triangle, it is a 0. When we calculate, here it is a condition for the collinearity of the point, we can find the area of triangle, we consider, okay, that 3 points are make a triangle, but when we can find the area of triangle, the area of triangle becomes 0 and area of triangles becomes 0, that means 3 points are the collinear. Okay, see carefully, remember this, the formula for the area of the triangle when vertices of the triangle are given, and this determinant may be positive or negative, but we want to find the area of the triangle, so take the absolute value. Okay, and then if we want to find the coordinates of the point, then we can take the both positive and negative value of the, it is the area. Okay, and if the area of triangle is 0, area of triangle is 0, then the 3 points are the collinear. Okay, remember this condition, and it is a formula for the area of triangle. Okay, now it is a new formula for the area of triangle. You know these two formulas, it is a third formula for the area of triangle. Now we see the examples of the area of triangle. Now the examples in the exercise 4.3. Example number 5. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are number 1 A 5, 8, so it is 5, 8, B 5, 0 and C 1, 0. Second example, it is a P 3/2, 1, Q 4, 2 and R it is 4, -1/2. And third example, it is the coordinates M 0, 0, 5, N -2, 3 and T it is 1, -4. Okay, here we have to find the area of triangle whose vertices A, B and C, that means area of the triangle ABC. Second example, we can find the area of triangle PQR, and in the third example find the area of M, N and T. Here we know that the vertices of triangle are, it is x1, y1, second x2, y2 and third vertex it is x3, y3. Then area of triangle, it is 1/2 determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and it is x3, y3, 1. It is the area of the triangle. Okay, now we can find the second and third example. It is first example for the homework. Okay, here we can solve. It is the third. Given vertices of triangle PQR R, it is a P 3/2, 1, Q 4, 2 and it is R. Okay, that is, it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2 and it is x3, y3. Therefore area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 determinant of x1, y1, it is a 3/2, 1, 1, x1, y1, 1, x1, y1, 1, area of the triangle x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and it is x3, y3, 1. Then x2, it is a 4, 2, 1, it is 4 -1/2 and 1. Now we can find the value of this determinant. Okay, now therefore it is a 1/2 as it is. Then 3/2, it is a 3/2. Okay, it is the first element in the row, it is the first, second and third. Then multiply by of 3/2, it is a one determinant and that determinant obtained deleting the row and column of 3/2. Then delete row and column of 3/2, we get 2, 1 -1/2, 1. So here 2 into 1, 2 and minus multiplication of these two terms, it is a -1/2. So here a +1/2. Okay, change the sign of the middle term, -1 into, again here delete a row and column. Okay, here it is a column and row, we get 4, 1, 4, 1. Therefore 4 -4 and +1, third element as it is, into, it is 4 into -1/2, it is a -2. See carefully. Okay, 4 into -1/2, that is -4/2 and -4/2, it is -2 and -8. See carefully, multiplication, and now it is 1/2 into, here 2 plus 1 by 2, see carefully, 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 2 into 2, 4, it is 5. That means here 3 by 2 into 5 by 2, 3 by 2 into 5 by 2, minus 0, it is a 0, 4 minus 4, and here minus 10, so we can write here minus 10. Okay. Now we can write here, it is a 1 by 2 into 15 by 4, it is a 15 by 4, okay. Minus 10, see carefully, 15 by 4 minus 0 and it is minus 10. Now calculate this, it is a 1 by 2 into minus 40, it is 15 minus 40, it is a minus 25 upon 4. 15 minus 40, it is minus 25 upon 4, and this become minus 25 by 8. Okay, see carefully, the calculation of this determinant, it is a negative, but this determinant, it is a value of the area of the triangle, and area cannot be negative. Okay, so we take the absolute value of this term, and therefore area of triangle, it is a PQR. PQR is 25 upon 8 square units. Okay, here the calculation, it is a minus 25 by 8, but we can take the area is a absolute value, that is 25 by 8. Okay, here remember this, the calculation is negative, but we can take the positive because it is a area. Okay. Then given vertices of the triangle MNT, M 0, 5, N minus 2, 3, and T 1, minus 4. Therefore area of triangle MNT is equal to 1 by 2. Again, see carefully, this is the formula, x1 y1 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 4, 1. Now calculate this, it is 1 by 2 into 0 into 3 plus 4, 3, and it is a plus 4. Change the sign of the middle term, minus 5 into minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, and third number is as it is 1, so it is plus 8 minus 3. Okay. Now we calculate this, 1 by 2, here it is a 0, minus 3, that is a minus 15, and here 8 minus 5, it is a 8 minus 3, it is a 5, so it is a plus 5. Okay, here sorry, it is minus 15. Okay, minus 5 and minus 3, it is a plus 15. Then 1 by 2 into 20, and that is a 10 square units. Okay, here the calculation, it is minus 3 into minus 5, it is a plus 15, and that is the plus 5, it is a 20, and it is 1 by 2. Therefore it is a 10 square unit. Now we see the next. Now next example, example number 6. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are, it is A minus 3, 1, B minus 2, minus 2, C 3, minus 1, and a D 1, 4. Now we want to find the area of the quadrilateral. Here ABCD, it is a quadrilateral. A, B, C and D, it is a quadrilateral here. But we know the formula for the only area of the triangle, okay, but it is a quadrilateral. Then we can draw any diagonal, it is AC or BD, we get two triangles. We can draw any triangle, any diagonal of the quadrilateral. Here we can draw the diagonal AC. Here we get two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADC. There are the two triangles and we know how to find the area of the triangle. Here the area of quadrilateral, it is the addition of area of these two triangles. So first find the area of triangle ABC and the second area of the triangle ADC, and adding both the areas, it is a complete quadrilateral. Okay, now here given that vertices of quadrilateral are, it is a -3 1, B -2 -2, C 3 -1 and D 1, 4 are the vertices of the triangle. Okay, here now we can find the area of the triangle. Okay, here triangle, area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle ADC. Therefore we want to find the area of the quadrilateral. Therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. ABC and it is area of triangle ADC, and we know how to find the area of triangle ABC and area of the triangle ADC. For the area of triangle A, B and C are the vertices, that is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. For the area of triangle ADC, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2 and it is x3 y3. Then therefore we can write here 1/2, it is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, here it is x1 y1 -3 1 1, x2 y2 -2 -2 1 and it is 3 -1 1 plus 1/2 into ADC. A is the first point, that is -3 1 1. D is, it is the second point, it is 1 4 1 and C 3 -1 1. Okay, see carefully. Okay, now find the value of the determinant of these two terms. It is the area of triangle and it is area of triangle ABC and it is area of triangle ADC. Now first we find it is 1/2 into, first we find the determinant of this term. It is a -3 into delete the row and column, we get this determinant -2 plus 1 -1 into, here change the sign of the middle term, -1 into delete the column and this row, -2 1 3 1, therefore -2 -3 -2 -3 and plus 1 as it is, -2 -1 it is a plus 2, minus the multiplication of these two terms, it is a minus, so here we get plus, it is a 6. It is a first determinant. Okay, now plus second determinant, again -3 into 4 plus 1, it is a 4 plus 1, change the sign of the middle term, it is a -1 1 -3 1 -3 plus 1 into -1 -12. Okay, now it is area of triangle ABC and it is area of triangle ADC. Okay, now calculate this. 1/2 into, see carefully, it is -1 -2 plus 1, it is a minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, it is a plus 3. Then it is a minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 1, it is a plus 5. And here 8 into 1, it is a plus 8. It is the area of triangle ABC. Plus 1 by 2 into, see carefully, minus 3 into, it is minus, sorry, it is 5. 5 into minus 3, it is a minus 15. Then it is a minus 2. See carefully. It is a minus 2 into minus 1. It is a plus 2. Okay. And then it is minus 13. Okay. Then it is 1 by 2 into, it is 16. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 1 by 2 into, here, minus 15 plus 2, it is minus 13, that means minus 26. See carefully. It is 8 and plus minus 13. But this minus 13, it is the area of triangle. Here, area of triangle we can take in the modulus. Okay. Here, it is the area of triangle and it is area of triangle. And so, it is 8 plus 13. And 8 plus 13, it is a 21 square units. It is the area of quadrilateral A, B and C. See carefully. Here, it is a plus 16. It is a plus 16. It is area of triangle and it is area of triangle ACD. This value becomes negative, but area is a positive. So, we can take absolute value. Okay. Here, first addition and then take absolute value, it is not correct answer. Because we can separately find the area of triangle. Area of triangle, it is a this term, and area of this triangle ADC, it is a second term. Now area of triangle, it is a minus 13. That means the area of triangle ADC, it is a 13 and then 13 plus 8. When we take 8 minus 13, it is minus 5. Minus 5 and then the absolute value, it is a 5. It is a wrong answer. Okay. Here we can take the addition of the areas. Okay. The area of triangle first, it is a 8 and area of triangle second, it is a minus 13. So we get the correct answer, it is a 21. Okay, see carefully this. Next example, find the value of K if the area of triangle whose vertices are P, K, 0, Q, 2, 2 and R, it is a 4, 3, is 3 by 2 square unit. Here we want to find the coordinates and here area is a given. Okay, area of triangle, it is a 3 by 2, but the value of determinant may be positive or negative. So we can take the area of triangle, this value, it is a plus or minus 2. When we can write in this formula. Here area of triangle, when we take the area of triangle, it is a 3 by 2, that is the absolute value, but the value of determinant may be positive or negative. So we can take the value of the area of triangle, it is a plus or minus 3 by 2. It is a plus or minus 3 by 2 and then we want to find the value of the K. Okay. Here, see carefully. Here, given vertices of triangle PQR, P K comma 0, Q 2 comma 2 and R 4 comma 3, and area of triangle, here we can write area of triangle PQR is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, then we know it is the area of triangle. We can take plus or minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into determinant of K 0 1 2 2 1, that is 4 3 1. Then it is a plus or minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into K into 2 minus 3 minus 0 into here K into 2 minus 3, 0 into 2 minus 4 and plus 1 into 6 minus 8. There, plus or minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into, here it is a minus K, see carefully, minus K, it is a 0 and here it is minus 2. Okay. Now this 2 can be written in this side, so we can write it is a plus or minus 3 is equal to minus K minus 2. See carefully, here it is a 2 can be written in this side, so 2 to get cancelled, here remaining only 3 and here K minus 2, this, and therefore plus 3, okay, plus 3 is equal to minus K minus 2 or minus 3 minus K minus 2, and then K becomes this side, therefore K is equal to minus 2 minus 3, this 3, or K is equal to minus 2 plus 3, this 3 becomes plus, and therefore K is equal to minus 5 or K is equal to 1. Okay, K is equal to minus 5 or K is equal to 1, it is the value of the K. Okay, here the coordinate K comma 0, therefore the coordinate of the triangles, it is a P minus 5 comma 0 or 1 comma 0, and these two coordinates form a triangle, then the area of triangle it is 3 by 2. Okay, now you can see the last example in this exercise. Examine the collinearity of the following set of points. Here, number 1, A 3 comma minus 1, B 0 comma minus 3, and C 12 comma 5. Number 2, P 3 comma minus 5, Q 6 comma 1, and R 4 comma 2. And the last, L 0 comma 1 by 2, M 2 comma minus 1, and N minus 4 comma 7 by 2. Okay, here. Now we want to check the collinearity of the point. Okay, there are given 3 points. Here we consider the 3 points form a triangle. If the triangle, area of the triangle, it is a 0, then 3 points are the collinear, and if the area of triangle not equal to 0, then the 3 points are the not collinear, that is the non-collinear points. Here we can check the collinearity of these 3 points using the area of the triangle. Okay, here when the area of triangle is 0, then the points are the collinear, and when the area of triangle is not equal to 0, then the points are the non-collinear. Okay, here first example, here given points, A 3, -1, B 0, -3, and C 12, 5. Okay, here let points it is A, B and C form triangle. Okay, let it is a consideration. Okay, it is a consider these 3 points form a triangle, so we can find the area of triangle, and if the area of triangle is a 0, then points are the collinear, that means these 3 points not form a triangle. If the area of triangle is 0, that means 3 points are the collinear, that is these 3 points not form a triangle. See carefully this. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 determinant of 3, -1, 1, 0, -3, 1 and 12, 5, 1. Now find the determinant. Here 3 into -3, -5, -3, -5 plus 1 into 0, -12, 0 and it is -12. Change the sign of the middle term. Here it is a -1, we can in the determinant it is +1, and it is +1 as it is. 0 plus 36. Okay, it is a 0 plus 36, and then it is 1/2 -15. Sorry, it is -8. Okay, -8 into 3, it is a -24. Then it is a -12. It is a +36. See carefully, and then this becomes 0, and then area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, and that is points A, B and C are collinear, and collinear means the points A, B, C not form a triangle. Okay, these points are the collinear. By using the condition of the area of triangle, we can check the collinearity of these points. Now you can see the second example. Here consider P, Q and R are vertices of triangle PQR, and therefore area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into determinant of 3, -5, 1, 6, 1, 1, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, and it is x3, y3, 1, 4, 2, and it is 1. And now 1/2 into, find the determinant, it is a 3 into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. Change the sign of the middle term, that is +5 into 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 6 and it is -4, plus 1 into 12 minus 4, 12 and it is -4, and then calculate this. 1/2 into, it is -1, therefore it is -3, -3 into -1, here it is a 2, therefore here it is a 10, it is 8 plus 8. Then 1/2 into -3 plus 10, it is a -3 plus 10, it is 7, and 7 plus 8, it is a 15, and therefore area of triangle PQR is equal to 15 by 2, and which is not equal to 0, and therefore points P, Q and R are non-collinear. Okay, because the area of triangle is not equal to 0, that means 3 points are the non-collinear. Okay, now the third example, okay, you can solve the third example. It is for the homework. Okay, see carefully. Okay, check the points, okay, are collinear or not. Here we can use the condition for the collinearity. It is the area of triangle. If area of triangle is 0, then the 3 points are the collinear, and if area of triangle not equal to 0, then 3 points are the non-collinear.